For those who've been wearing their hair in a longer bob for some time now, this haircut is a great transition to freshen up your look and try something new. Hey, it's Madison Sullivan, and I am here at Dop Salon in Soho, New York City. Today, I'm partnering with Hair.com to talk about this trendy chin-length bob. So today, Bella is here to refresh her haircut. Her haircut was once chin-length and is now a little overgrown. Bella's last cut was about 8 weeks ago, which is probably the longest that you should go in between haircuts when your goal is to keep a really clean-cut chin-length bob. Starting in the back, I'm making sure to cut the hair above the top of the spinal bone, that area that slightly protrudes out a little bit, to avoid the hair kicking out at the back of her head. Bella has some hair growth patterns around her hairline that cause some hair to grow in different directions, so I will use a razor to clean that up. While working underneath the occipital bone, the area in the back of the head that rounds out, I'm combing the hair down and cutting it right up against the neck to establish a strong perimeter for the rest of the haircut. Once I move up the head above this bone, I'll use my fingers to control the hair and to cut a clean and precise line. Leaving the very top section out, I'll take vertical sections through the back and carve out weight with a razor to create space and movement in the hair, adding texture to her one length cut. My goal to length with this haircut is to avoid the ends flipping out on her and to avoid her hair ever touching her shoulders in the 8 weeks in between her next cut. Now moving on to the sides, I'll connect them to the back by cutting them standing square to her shoulder and removing weight with the razor here as well. If my client had more texture or curl that they wanted to bring out, I may add in some layering as well. A fringe would also be a fun way to change up the look of this chin-length haircut. To style Bella's hair smooth with some volume, I'm using L'Oreal Professionnel Volume Envy Extra from the Tecni.Art line at the roots and Liss Control through the ends. I want to blow dry her hair straight so that I can go back and refine the haircut and add a little bit more texture through her ends, which will help her with styling her hair on her own. I'm definitely noticing an increase in requests for this chic, shorter length bob. For those who've been wearing their hair in a longer bob for some time now, this haircut is a great transition to freshen up your look and try something new. Once her haircut looks great straight, I went in with a flat iron to create some waves, to show Bella another way that this haircut can be styled to show versatility. I used a flat iron to do this style because I think for some people, it's a little easier to use than a curling iron, and I wanted to show my client a simple way that she can change up her look when she's styling her hair on her own. So you can see that we only took off about 1.5 inches of her length, but it makes such a big difference in the overall look of this haircut. I really hope you enjoyed my version of this haircut, and don't forget to subscribe and follow Hair.com, and you can find me on Instagram at Madison Sullivan Hair. Thanks for watching.